好，跟住試下揈下手啊，向前轉10個圈。你成日唔喐下個 shoulder 咧，就嚟50肩㗎啦嚇。
我唔係已經50咗啦，已經
40肩都嚟啦，係啊，跟住向後轉，係啦，跟住向後。做完之後變翻右行，好，跟住轉下腰先，大家望下後面，轉望後面先。
咁大嚿喺前面，
大家揾唔揾到大家條腰啊？
梗係冇啦，
轉另一邊，
死喺嗰度啊，死喺嗰度，死。
轉另一邊。
一齊做啦，唔好影。
跟住大家試下行腿啦。
我 send 俾隔離睇啊！
前一隻後。
我等隔離睇下啊！
前面嗰隻90度啦，盡量。曲到90度。好搞笑，出咩90度啊？一平衡啲就撳住啲台啦嚇，撳喺凳嗰啫。通常老人家先撳。
我撳完你先講。係咪膝頭哥唔好過？係啊，盡量咧膝頭哥唔好過腳趾，係啊，咁你膝頭好講啦。
會傷膝頭啊！
係你闊翻少少。
會傷膝頭啊！
腰就挺直啦，如果可以嘅話，係啊。
喂，
好，跟住咧，我哋鬆下啲手腳本先，係啦。
係啦，呢個攞嚟。台先得幾度有張台啊？唔係可能。係啊，你兩個細路喺屋企自己兩發彈佢啦。
得。
如何是你嘅仔？
咁如果大家咧想做喺體能嗰度啊，收下個 core 啦，譬如啦，拎起你嘅左膝，跟住隻右隻手踭墊入去啦。
Okay, for myself, okay? For myself, actually it's quite systematic, okay? But for the populations, you can just give a specific term that is a learning student, something like that. Then the term is include the following items. Just like the interventions, you can say that with virtual simulations, then they're including that one. It's much more easier to people to interpret what kind of the outcome that are you looking for. Okay. And in other than that, for the next slide. Okay. Next slide. Okay, this one. Okay. No. The previous one. Okay. The potential journal, or maybe use for the hand search. And most of the time, we will use the references of your searched paper, so that it is another method to do the hand search. Go over the reference paper, that the one that you already got it, so that you can use this one. Okay, that's all. Good job.